Hi there, students. Succour, an uncountable noun, or to succour, a verb. Let's see. To succour means to give help to someone, especially somebody who is in suffering or in need. So we should give succour to the refugees. We should give them assistance, aid, relief, help. Yeah, to succour the poor, yeah, to help the homeless. Students should be succoured by society, should be succoured by their parents. They should be supported and encouraged. Okay, so most commonly we use this to succour, talking about somebody who is in need. But let's see, to give help to, I always try to succour students who have difficulties with their English. Notice this sounds like succour, S-U-C-K-E-R. Okay, a sucker, somebody who is easily deceived. This guy's a sucker. Yeah, he's a sucker for punishment. He always falls for the tricks. He's a sucker. So notice the sound is the same, but this is a different word with a different spelling. S-U-C-K-E-R from to suck. But this is to succour, spelt differently. So help or assistance, especially in a time of difficulty. Yeah, to succour, to help, to give aid to a person who is having difficulty. You should offer comfort and succour to your friend. Yeah, there is nothing in this desert to succour life. Yeah, it's dry and dead, and there's absolutely nothing in it. So you need to succour people who have problems, who have difficulties. Yeah, it's to give aid to them, to relieve, go to the aid of. There was a man who was in difficulties in the sea, so I succoured him. I gave succour to him. I gave him help. Yeah, I went out and with a life jacket to see if I could help him. Yeah, so this is aid and assistance to somebody who is in distress. They also actually use this in a military sense to give aid or assistance, maybe in the form of military equipment and soldiers, to support a military action. But to succour, to give help to. So yes, by subscribing to the channel and giving a thumbs up and commenting on the video, you are succouring my channel. Yeah, you are giving succour to it. Okay, so to give help to aid. So what about formality? This is a formal word. I think if you use this in an informal conversation, you're going to sound weird. To aid, to help informally. I think I'd probably give it a 7.5 in formality. It's a regular verb. He succoured the needy. He has succoured all types of refugee and persons in trouble. Okay, it's derived from a Middle English noun, succour, which meant help, yeah, assistance. But this originally comes from Latin, succursus, the act of helping, from succurrere, to run to the aid of somebody, to go to the help of, yeah, under, beneath, and curro, to run or to hasten. So to hasten to somebody's aid. There's even a Proto-Indo-European word, kurs, which is the succor bit, meaning to run. Okay, so to succour, to give aid or assistance to, but you need to use this in a formal setting. Okay, so to succour. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Succor.